Thank you for being here. I have these amazing gifts that I'm going to be opening, showing you the ones that I received from all of these amazing content creators. I love you guys. Here we go. Thank you for being here at Vernes Junk Closet. I am your YT cheerleader. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new, welcome in. If you're my regular Booski, you know I love you. And if you are a member, I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys. So I'm going to be showing you some amazing gifts that I either received from some content creators or was given to me through a raffle. So I'm super excited to show you. I don't know what's in most of them. This one I do know I did open, and this one is from Edna 365. She does have a YouTube channel. I will put their information in the description of this live stream. So if you guys can see, I'm going to bring it up close. It is a beautiful green necklace because my favorite color is green, as you can tell from looking all around. And this is so pretty. I just love this necklace. Edna has made it. It is so pretty. It's not jade. She told me the name, and I'm sorry I can't remember it, but I'll insert it if I remember it. But my birthstone is emerald. My favorite color is green. And so she made me this. And I'm going to try to do this video without freaking crying because you guys know I'm a crybaby. But I really do appreciate you guys going out of your way, sending me stuff, because you don't have to do that. And I want you to know I love you for it, and I surely appreciate it. So today is just a relaxing video, you know, just knocking around. If you see my shirt, yes, CEO. Go get yours from Boss Brand. She's another young lady that I support her small business. So get it. I will put the information in the description of this video. I also have done another video with her products. So CEO Boo. Yes, that is how you do that. So let's keep going. Again, thank you. And I'm so excited to see. So this one is from Ann Mua. Actually, I am a member on her channel. She has memberships, and so did I. And we're going to see what this is. Okay, it says Filter Rich Tab. I guess this is like for makeup. I think that's what that's for. So let's see what's in it. So pretty. Oh, I love the bottle. It is called Moonshine. Hold on. Superfruit Facial Oil. Ooh, let's smell it. Oh, it's so oil. Oh, it smells pretty. I don't want to drop it because it's oil. It is oil. It is very nice. Thank you, Karen Ann Mua. Again, I will put her information down in the description of the live stream. Thank you so much, Boo. I think this is going to go really nice. Look at that. It's going to be a good match. Yep. So, next, let's do this one. This one is from Jay's Way Jewels. Now, she left me a little note, and I think I know what this is because she did mention it to me. Yeah, there's a little note. I don't want to read it for me. And thank you so much, Jakenda, Jay's Way Jewels. That is her YouTube channel. And she knows I'm not a germaphobe, but I'm cautious. And she sent me this. So what it is a little key holder, and you open the door instead of having to touch the door. And I love it. It's so cute. It has a little soft thing here. I guess that's for your phone if you want to use your phone. Oh, to push the buttons on the reader when you're using your credit card. Yes, I love this. Thank you, Jay. You know, we were talking about that. Thank you for sending it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, sis. Okay, the next one is from Grateful Expressions. This is the Chit Chat Queen. Now, I actually purchased these, but she sent me an extra one. And thank you so much to Chit Chat Queen. Go check out her channel. She makes these. And again, my favorite color is green. So look at that. That green and white. That is so pretty. Oh, you know I'm going to be rocking the green, baby. Oh, look at that one. The emerald green. Can you guys see that? Isn't that pretty? Woo, baby. Yes. Here's a little pink with a little sparkly on it. Like a crystal. Super cute. Here's a purple and white one. Cute. I like that. And it got the little gold in the middle. Very pretty. And another green one. Isn't that pretty, guys? Go check her out, Chit Chat Queen, and her company is called Grateful Expressions. Again, all of this information will be in the description of this video. Now, I'm going to have to pick this one up because it's a little heavy. This one is actually from my neighbor. You guys know I love you. They gave me this back in my birthday, which was in May. I know this is August, right? So, July, August, don't hate me for it. Hold on, let me pick it up because it's a little heavy. So, it has a picture of a cat on it, or a cat face with a crown, or whatever you call it. But let's see what it looks like inside. It's heavy. Hold on. Ugh. Ooh, hold on. Ooh. Oh, man, look, it's in another box. So, hold on, let me open that, and it has the picture of the cat again. So, it opens this way? Hold on. Yeah, this way. Oh, look! Oh, I love the bottle. Look at that. Oh, is this not beautiful? It says Mod Selection. Okay. Mod Reserve Champagne. We're going to be having a celebration with some champagne, baby. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, my neighbor is awesome. Thank you so much. That's heavy, too. That box is everything. That is so pretty. And then this slides on top of it. Let's see if I can get it back on. Ooh, baby. That is so pretty. Look at that. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you, neighbor. Okay, let's do this one. It's from Thrive Together. Okay, so this one is from Tuberchat. I call him my YouTube BFF. We are really good friends, and he lives in Canada, but we're always on the phone talking for hours. Everyone knows I love Kevin K. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do for me. So we actually exchanged t-shirts. So I sent him one, Love and Light, and he sent me his, which is Thrive Together. He also has a channel called Thrive Together. He has a channel called Tuberchat, and he has a channel called Kevin K. So he has 3 amazing channels. Thank you so much, Kevin. I love my shirt. I will be wearing it soon. I will be wearing it soon. So thank you so much for that. Let me put everything in here so I don't misplace anything. And then I'll put it right here in the little basket underneath where I'm at. Okay. Let's go to this one. Now, this one was given to me because it was a giveaway on her channel. And this one is Pastor Kim's Corner, Agape Love. And I did win this. And it says, it's a plaque, and it says, Jeremiah 29:11. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Oh, how nice is that, guys? Can you guys see that? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I can hang it or sit it anywhere. Thank you, Pastor Kim. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Yes, she had a giveaway. And I was on her channel, and that's when I won. So, super excited about that. This one is for my girl, Edna. Edna Nelson. She has a channel, guys, again, Edna's World. And I will be putting it down. I don't know what's in here. I'm super excited. Thank you for being an awesome friend. I'm going to cry and supporter of my channel. You are the best cheerleader online. Because I am the YT cheerleader, baby. Yes. Thank you, Edna. I love you. You know that, sis. I love you so much. Long live the Chief. Al's birthday memorial, Negro, Jamaica. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry I couldn't be there. So her husband's name is Al. We called him Mr. Unfortunately, he passed away. But they had I'm going to cry, a birthday celebration in the grill, Jamaica. Thank you, Edna. I love you. Oh, my goodness. She didn't have to do this. Thank you so much. Oh, I think this is a fanny pack. I'm going to wear my fanny pack, boo. I'm going to wear my fanny pack. Forget what everybody else say. I like fanny packs. Look. And then I have a t-shirt. Oh, it says Nelson Strong 100. And I have one in yellow. And I have worn it before, and you guys seen it. Look at that. Oh, rest in peace, mister. I love you. And if you guys don't know, I did a video on my channel, and it was for the kings of my channel, the gentlemen of my channel, and it's called The Kings of Vernes Junk Closet, and it is my band of brothers. So just celebrating the men, telling them thank you. Al's information is in the video. There's a tribute at the end. If you would like, please go watch that video after this, and I'll insert a card here where you can just click on it after this video and see it. Thank you. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you, sis. Edna's World, guys. Go check her out. Whoops. Okay, the next one is from, let's do this one, Rochelle Vanterpool. Rochelle Vanterpool. She also has a channel here, guys. Hi, Vern. Just sending you a little something I think you will like. It's just a thank you for helping me on the YouTube channel. Just keep on being you. You're a Booski. Hey, hey. You're my Booskis. Hey, hey. You're my Booskis. Yes. You guys are my Booskis. I love you. Oh, let's see what I got. Hey. Oh, I love the packaging, girl. This packaging is everything. Look how cute. Oh, pretty. If you can read this, bring me wine. I do love it. So, guys, I have a company that I am a part of, and I sell wine. It will be in the description of this video. If you like, go get you a couple bottles of Moscato. Go get you some rosé wine. It's called Wine with Vernes. It's from One Hope is the company. So go check it out. Thank you, Rochelle. Girl, you know I'm going to get you. I love it, though. I love it. The next one is from my sister. Hey, girl. Denise McKay. So let me get this right, because her channel name changed. Books, Flaws, and Stuff. That's her name. The new channel. And again, I'll put all this down there. Oh, I like the packaging, girl. I like that gold. That's cute. From Books, Flaws, and Stuff to Vernes Junk Closet. That's what it says on here. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. She says, thank you. From Denise, you're truly an awesome friend and a blessing to me, many more. To my sister and friend, here's a small gift made just for you. I truly appreciate you for just being you. Love you, girl. I hope you enjoy your face mask and bracelet in your favorite color, green. If you guys did not know, if you did not know. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah,
I'm on. I'm on. Okay. Look. Cute. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is amazing. Thank you, Denise. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this here is a t-shirt that I got from my friend and my brother, Peter Lloyd World. Go check out his channel. He is in Jamaica. And I want to show you the stamps. Yes. Thank you, Peter. Hopefully I'll be seeing you soon. So, he signed it. Thank you, Peter. Peter Lloyd. Peter Lloyd. Woo! Thank you, Peter. I love it. Thank you. My people are amazing. So if you guys want to be part of the Booski, Team Booski, or the Booski Compound, hit that join button. Become a member. Come to my channel when I go live. We do a lot of stuff. Now, this one I'm probably going to cry. Just telling you ahead of time. This one is from my two little brothers. I love them so much. Wanston, yes, honey, it's me, Wanston, and yo, it's your boy Leo, but together they also have a third channel for House of X Entertainment. I do not know what this is. I've had it for a minute. They keep asking me, did you open it? Did you open it? Did you open it? No. Well, I'm opening it now, baby. Oh, okay. Let me get it together. I love my people. They are so freaking awesome. Okay, here we go. I did just have my scissors here. Here we go. It's a cup in my favorite color. What is it? Green. X entertaining. Cause we stay entertaining. A deuce deuce. A deuce deuce. We stay entertaining. A deuce deuce. A deuce deuce. Yes! Yes! Oh, they got the top. Wow, the top is heavy. Wow. Oh, I think it sits like that. I think that's how it is. Well, I said a top. That's what it is. I think it sits like that. Oh, there's something else in the inside. Hold on. Guys. X-Family, the keychain. Can you guys see that little heart? Oh, thank you guys. Oh, I know I'm a wimp. I like stuff like this. Look, don't judge me. Okay, no judgment here. This is a no judgment zone. So to all my awesome content creators, to all my family, to all of you guys, I love you so much. And again, you guys didn't have to send me anything, but I certainly appreciate it. So I wanted to let you guys know at the end of this video, if you liked it, if it brought you value, if you just found it to be entertaining, there is a little button right at the end that says thanks. Hit that thanks button and show love to your girl, your YT cheerleader, Vernes Junk Closet. I love you guys. Remember, no one is perfect, and never stop dreaming. I love you guys so much. You guys are the light of my live stream, and you know that. And with that said, guys, love and light.